action.
Hello, everybody. Now this is the kids' point of view, and this one I'm going to be trying is this voltage, evolution,
Yeah.
and supernova. And I'm going to try them and see what they taste like. That is weird. This one is better. And I don't have anything that may taste like that. Okay, so this is what it tastes like. And
Which one do you like this?
well, kind of like that one.
Oh, the middle one?
Mm-hmm.